Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Hello and welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your go-to source for the latest advancements and insights in renewable energy and sustainability. Today, we're excited to take you on a journey through the incredible world of green technology and explore how it holds the key to building a more sustainable, resilient, and prosperous future for our planet. The urgent need for sustainable solutions. As we face unprecedented environmental challenges, from climate change and biodiversity loss to pollution and resource depletion, it's clear that we need to take decisive action to protect our planet and ensure a livable future for generations to come. This is where green technology comes in. By harnessing the power of innovation and sustainability, we can develop solutions that reduce our environmental impact, create green jobs, and foster a more harmonious relationship between human activities and the natural world. Renewable energy. Powering a cleaner future, at the forefront of green technology is renewable energy. Solar, wind, hydropower, geothermal, and biofuels are revolutionizing the way we generate and consume energy. Advancements in solar technology, such as high-efficiency photovoltaic cells and concentrating solar power systems, are making solar energy more accessible, affordable, and reliable than ever before. Meanwhile, the growth of offshore wind farms and the development of advanced energy storage solutions are enabling a more flexible and resilient renewable energy grid. But the benefits of renewable energy go beyond just reducing greenhouse gas emissions. By investing in renewable energy infrastructure, we can create millions of green jobs, stimulate economic growth, and improve energy security. Renewable energy also has the potential to bring electricity to millions of people in developing countries who currently lack access to reliable power, improving quality of life and enabling sustainable development. Green buildings. Designing for sustainability. Another key area of green technology is sustainable building design and construction. Green buildings incorporate a range of strategies and technologies to minimize environmental impact, maximize energy efficiency, and create healthy, comfortable indoor environments. From passive solar design and green roofs to energy-efficient appliances and smart building management systems, green buildings are setting a new standard for sustainability in the built environment. The benefits of green buildings are numerous. By reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, green buildings help combat climate change and improve air quality. They also provide significant cost savings over the life of the building through reduced utility bills and lower maintenance costs. Additionally, green buildings have been shown to improve occupant health, productivity, and well-being, creating a win-win for people and the planet. Sustainable transportation. Moving towards a greener future, transportation is another sector where green technology is driving transformative change. Electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, are becoming increasingly popular, offering a cleaner, more efficient alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Advances in battery technology and charging infrastructure are making EVs more practical and accessible for everyday use, while the growth of car sharing and ride-hailing services is reducing the need for individual car ownership. But sustainable transportation goes beyond just personal vehicles. Hydrogen fuel cell buses and trucks are emerging as a promising solution for heavy-duty transportation, while high-speed rail and electric public transit systems are providing clean, efficient alternatives to air travel and diesel-powered buses. By investing in sustainable transportation infrastructure and promoting active mobility options like cycling and walking, we can create more livable, healthy, and resilient communities. Circular economy, closing the loop on waste. Green technology is also transforming the way we think about waste and resource use. The traditional linear economy, where resources are extracted, used, and then discarded, is unsustainable and contributes to environmental degradation and resource depletion. In contrast, the circular economy seeks to close the loop on waste by designing products and systems that prioritize reuse, repair, and recycling. Innovative solutions like advanced recycling technologies, industrial symbiosis, and product-as-a-service business models are enabling the transition to a circular economy. By keeping resources in use for as long as possible and minimizing waste, the circular economy creates new business opportunities, reduces environmental impact, and enhances resource security. It also has the potential to create local jobs and stimulate economic development, particularly in areas like recycling and remanufacturing. Water management. Protecting a precious resource. Water is perhaps the most precious resource on our planet, and green technology is playing a crucial role in managing and conserving this vital asset. From water-efficient fixtures and appliances to advanced irrigation systems and precision agriculture, green technology is helping us use water more efficiently and sustainably. Rainwater harvesting and greywater recycling systems are becoming increasingly common, allowing us to capture and reuse water that would otherwise be lost. Advanced wastewater treatment technologies, like membrane bioreactors and constructed wetlands, are enabling us to reclaim and reuse wastewater for non-potable purposes, reducing the strain on freshwater resources. And innovative desalination technologies are providing new sources of freshwater in water-scarce regions, helping to ensure access to clean water for communities around the world. Green chemistry and sustainable materials. The field of green chemistry is revolutionizing the way we design and produce materials and products. By applying the principles of green chemistry, such as using renewable feedstocks, minimizing waste, and designing for degradation, we can create safer, more sustainable alternatives to traditional chemicals and materials. Bio-based and biodegradable plastics, for example, are emerging as a promising solution to the problem of plastic pollution. These materials are derived from renewable resources like cornstarch or sugarcane and can break down naturally in the environment, reducing the need for fossil-based plastics and mitigating the impact of plastic waste. Similarly, sustainable textiles like organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled polyester are providing eco-friendly alternatives to conventional fabrics, while green building materials like hempcrete and recycled steel are reducing the environmental footprint of construction. The future of green technology. As we look to the future, the potential of green technology to drive sustainable innovation and create a better world is truly exciting. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things are opening up new possibilities for optimizing resource use, improving energy efficiency, and creating more resilient, sustainable systems. Nanotechnology and advanced materials science are enabling the development of next-generation solar cells, batteries, and other clean energy technologies, while synthetic biology and biomanufacturing are creating new opportunities for sustainable production of chemicals, fuels, and materials. And as we continue to explore space and push the boundaries of human knowledge, green technology will play a critical role in enabling sustainable exploration and development beyond our planet. The transformative power of green technology lies in its ability to address the urgent environmental challenges we face while also creating new opportunities for economic growth, social progress, and human well-being. By embracing sustainable solutions across all sectors of society, from energy and transportation to buildings and materials, we can create a more resilient, prosperous, and equitable world for ourselves and future generations. At RenewEnergy.com, we are passionate about the potential of green technology to drive positive change and create a better future. We believe that by sharing knowledge, inspiring action, and fostering collaboration, we can accelerate the transition to a sustainable future. So join us on this exciting journey as we explore the incredible possibilities of green technology and work together to build a cleaner, greener, and more vibrant world. Subscribe to our channel, explore our website, and let's embrace the transformative power of sustainable solutions together. Thanks for tuning into the RenewEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.